Today I'm going to tell you what a VPN is and what it's used for. A VPN, or a virtual private network, is used to gain online privacy. It cloaks your connection from the VPN service to the visited domain, so instead of the website getting your data, you're sending it to the VPN, which encrypts your data and transfers it to the website. Let's say the government or a hacker is attempting to gain your IP address from a website you've visited. Then instead they will get the IP address from the VPN service while your home IP address remains secure. A government can request the VPN service to show the log, but many VPNs have a no logs policy, which is kind of like deleting your browser history. Originally, a VPN was used by big companies and organizations to allow employees to work remotely while preventing cyberattacks. Today VPNs are available to the public and used frequently. While using a VPN makes your connection more secure, it also slows it down, as it will need to pass a checkpoint to reach the website, instead of going straight from your device. A VPN can be used to change your location. Let's say you live in Germany and want to watch a Netflix show that's been banned in your country. You can then connect to an American VPN, disguising your location and giving you access to the banned show. If you're looking to make a purchase from the internet, like renting a hotel, buying a video game, renting a movie, etc., you can use a VPN, as the prices often change depending on what country you're making the purchase from. Make sure to do a background check on what VPN service you'll be using, as some services are more secure than others. Good luck!